Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing MRF. MRF, you can see here, it has broken the previous swing high and it has formed a new high now. Currently MRF has made a high of 97,880.80 and today it has closed somewhere around 96,973.85. So this is an all-time high in MRF. Now what next in MRF? This is a question most of the people have been asking me. So let me go and draw a trend line here first. Guys, let me tell you, I'm using three indicators: 50 moving average, 200 and RSI. These indicators are just for confirmation. Major thing here to understand is price, the behavior of the price, and the point from where the stock can probably reverse. Now let's see. Let me draw a trend line here. The first thing I'm going to draw is a resistance trend line, and I'll also tell you the reason why I'm drawing this. The reason to draw this is price have been making higher highs. You can see here price has been making higher highs, right? And RSI has been making lower highs here. Will price dip down after making a high again? This is the question. This is the big question. That's the reason we are going to draw this trend line first. I've drawn this trend line, and you can see here the one more trend line what I'm drawing is on RSI, just to show you that this is forming something like a divergence. This is forming a divergence. It has not completed yet. So here the major thing what I'm going to see is, if price bounces up from here, in case price trades above the recent high, let me mark the recent high. This is a recent high, today's high. In case price sustains above 97,880.880, what is the level we can expect? The simple thing is, I'll draw a channel here, a parallel channel, then probably you'll understand. Okay, now there are two targets what I can expect here, one based on the channel and other on the trend line, resistance trend line what I've drawn. Guys, the first thing I can expect is this zone, that is somewhere around 1 lakh to 1 lakh 2000 or 4000. This is the level what I'm expecting prices to move up to. The next target would be probably 1 lakh to 1 lakh 4000 in MRF. If price sustains above 97,880, we can expect these levels to come in. And after that, probably depending on the price, we can see if it will reverse. In case it reverses, what the targets will be, I'll be updating in the next videos. And in case, let me tell you one more thing, in case price reverses from this channel resistance or this trend line resistance, guys, we can expect this level again. It can retest this level 97,880, and then probably it can come back to this channel support. Right, for now, if price trades above this current high, today's high, then we can expect almost around 1 lakh to 1 lakh 4000. This will be the range from where either the price will reverse, and if it sustains above this, then it will run up to 1 lakh 10,000 or 1 lakh 15,000. This is a simple analysis what I have on MRF. Now let's wait and watch how MRF behaves tomorrow. Well, MRF has given a good move today. So depending on this, probably let me go and check out the volume as well, so that we'll have another confirmation. Volume is also very important. Volume is the key. Okay, we have good volume today, and yesterday also we had a good volume. So as per these volumes, probably I expect prices to sustain above this and start moving towards 1 lakh and 1 lakh 4000. This is the maximum price I'm expecting for now. Right? In the next video, I'll be analyzing one more stock that's very important. It has given a multi-year breakout. It's probably giving a multi-year breakout. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, guys, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. And make sure you also join the Telegram channel. It's also the link is also available in the description box. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Check out the stock which is giving probably a multi-year breakout.